Okay, we got the 1byone Programmable Gaming Mouse. It says the Vargo A3050 solution. So let's have a look. Just got this today. On the back here, features a long button life, which is obviously essential for a gaming mouse. You've got 5 adjustable DPI going from 1000 all the way up to 4000. Includes the programmable driver, so you can obviously adjust things like button layouts and things like that. 1.6 meter cable length, and then you've got it's actually quite a nice idea. They've got the LED lights which indicate what DPI setting you're actually on, because you've got a DPI button that will change it on the fly. So 1000 is red light, 1750 is blue light, for example, and going up to 4000, which is the yellow light. So let's open it up and see what we've got. It's in a bag there. There we go. Looks like quite a big manual with this one. Okay, let's move the box. Okay, it's quite a decent in-depth manual there. So that's quite nice to have. Normally you get just a little tiny sheet saying go and download the driver. You've actually got the drivers here and the program for customization, for example. Okay, onto the mouse. Right, got a nice braided cable, nice gold plated USB connector there. It actually feels really nice. You've got a sort of floating wheel there. I don't know if you can see that properly, but it's you can see it on the bottom. It's just a sort of floating wheel. That's quite nice, including the click. It looks like that illuminates as well. You've got a very soft texture to the top with the DPI button there, changing it on the fly. Looks like forward and backwards. And these bits here are really nice textured. Gives you a nice grip on there. And it looks like you've got illumination on the 1byone logo, and then a strip down there. On the base, you've got quite simply on and off, and your laser just there, and nice smooth bottoms on the mouse itself. It's a good size actually, good size for me. I've got quite a big hand, so it's actually quite a nice size for me. Buttons feel nice click to them. Quite a short travel, so some good accuracy there. Okay, so let's give it a good test. I'll load the drivers, see what I can customize, and I'll feed back below.